Welcome to Baking with Ghosts. I'm Kat, and I'm here to teach my ghost friends how to bake and decorate delicious desserts. So today, I am joined by Blobby Bobby, and we're going to be making fudge with crushed peppermint on top of it. So, are you ready to help me, Bobby? Let's start. All right, Bobby. We're going to start with butter. No tuna. No tuna. No tuna. Okay, evaporated milk. Sugar. No tuna. All right, go ahead, turn on the heat. All right, you're gonna constantly stir. When it starts to boil, you no longer want to touch the edge of the pan. No longer want to touch the edge of the pot. All right, Bobby. Once you see it start to boil, you want to keep stirring continuously until the temperature hits 234 degrees. All right, Bobby, we're at 234, so we're going to turn off the heat. Go ahead and place that down. We're going to add chocolate chips. Go ahead and stir it. All right, Bobby, your arm was getting tired, so I stepped in. Can you hand me the marshmallow cream, please? Nope. No tuna. All right, Bobby, can you add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, please? No. Thank you. All right, Bobby. Go ahead and sprinkle this across the entire top of it. Great job, Bobby. Thank you so much for helping me make this fudge. Now we're gonna let this cool, put it in the fridge for quite a while until it's completely cooled and hard. Then we're gonna cut it up into little pieces. All right, Bobby, fudge is all done. I've cut it, put it in this cute little bowl. Now it's ready to be served to our party guests. All right, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.